Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be painting the tractor blue. I actually painted the tractor with primer and color the same day because the sheet on the primer says it was ready to be top coated in an hour and a half at 70 degrees. So I let it sit for about 2 hours since it was a little bit cooler and went and put the blue on. Now I did do 2 coats of blue. Like I did with the primer, I only filmed 1 coat because it would be just repetitive. Again, I'm starting in the front with the small pieces that I have hanging up, and then I move back to the tractor. Like I said in the previous video, this gun is a 1.4 millimeter tip. It's still a gravity fed. I find that they have less moving parts, they're a lot easier to clean. And that makes up for it being difficult to work under stuff. As you can see with this paint, there's a lot more mist in the air. That's what they call overspray. And that's what you have to watch when you're painting, which is why I will paint the underside of things in places where you're not going to see first, and then when you go back and paint everything that you do see, you'll get overspray in those areas that you don't see, but it doesn't matter because you won't see them. Now you might be wondering what I'm doing when I walk away. I'm mixing up another batch of paint. This paint is MTK, which is a Omni's code for urethane, and it is mixed in a ratio of 4 to 1 to 1, 4 being the paint itself, 1 being a hardener, and 1 being reducer, the last part. And this paint is very thin, it runs very easily, so you have to be careful when you're applying urethane. Enamel is a little bit thicker, enamel paint, but it doesn't hold up to sun exposure as well as urethane paint does. If you guys are interested, I can do a video on mixing paint, as I've got more parts of the tractor to do because I did not have enough room to hang up all my parts at once, so I still got the fuel tank, a steering piece, the left front hub, and some various other things, and then the hood and the fenders to do yet, and the rims. So if you guys would like, leave a comment down below if you want to see me mixing paint. It's fairly simple. Just let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.